Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Today, we'll be unboxing Oppo's newest selfie powerhouse, the F7. The new phone has a massive front camera for selfies, as well as thanks to MediaTek's new P60 chipset. The F7 serves as a showcase of sorts for the Taiwanese company's first eye-infused silicon and promises to deliver better images and performance. If we talk about the Oppo F7 specs, it includes MediaTek octa-core Helio P60 processor, ARM Mali G72MP3PU, 4GB RAM, 6.23-inch 19:9 aspect ratio Full HD Plus display, 2280x1080 resolution, 64GB of expandable storage, 16-megapixel rear camera with flash, 25-megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture, Sony IMX576, eye beautification, dual SIM, 3G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, fingerprint sensor, 3400 mAh battery, Android Oreo with ColorOS 5.0a. Oppo's first major release for 2018 comes in the typical white box that the firm's phones usually ship in. A carton sleeve on the outside of the phone holds the phone's image as well as its name, with the rear bearing some of the key specs of the device. Once you open the package, you'll see phone, the freebie silicone case, along with documentation for the phone, a USB charger, USB cable and a pair of headphones. The F7 certainly looks like a premium device from afar. The gloss red review unit that we received really does stand out from the glut of mid-range phones we've been getting lately, and you'll be getting envious looks your way when you pull the F7 out from your pocket when you're out and about. Unfortunately, once you get up close and personal to the F7, you'll notice a few odd design decisions. The rear of the phone, for example, is made from clear acrylic and not glass as we initially thought, though Oppo says that they've infused it with a special coating that makes it stand out from the pack. The frame of the phone is plastic as well, though you'll really have to scrutinize it before you'll notice it. The 16-megapixel camera is tucked in the upper left side of the device, with the fingerprint scanner on the center. Oppo's F7 is the latest Android phone to use a large 19:9 display with a notch. The 6.23-inch display is pretty big, has a 2280x1080 resolution panel and very small bezels on the sides and bottom. The notch near the top of the display holds the 25-megapixel f2.0 front camera that has a Sony IMX576 sensor. Unfortunately, there's no software fix yet to turn off the notch like the P20 Pro, for example, though Oppo reps say that they may implement this feature in the future. It doesn't get in the way of important stuff though, since black bars automatically show up on the notch when you're watching video content on YouTube, for example. The notch can also be used to multitask, with small icons appearing on either side when the phone's in landscape mode. Oppo's newest phone is the first to use MediaTek's new P60 processor. The P60's camera smarts can automatically detect different shooting situations, up to 16, and adjust the settings automatically to produce the best picture possible. MediaTek's new chip also intelligently detects power consumption and adjusts settings accordingly depending on your use, to squeeze as much mAh as possible before your phone needs to be topped up. Oppo's also improved the software that works in tandem with the 25-megapixel f2.0 Sony IMX576 front camera. It's easily capable of running most Android games in decent quality settings. That bigger 3400 mAh battery also gives you more runtime before charges, though the lack of quick charging will hurt charging time significantly. Oppo's done well with their new selfie expert. With a brand new processor, new eye tricks and a brilliant display, the F7 looks to be Oppo's best selfie expert yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless.